I now speak to unattached youth. These are 3 issues I took out of my constituency to raise this afternoon. There has been a lot of talk about unattached youths. And the Prime Minister announced 100 young persons per constituency. I am appealing to the government and to Heart Trust to implement the announcement of the Prime Minister. Look at this center called the Kellett Center. Renovated, remodeled, and sitting down idle. Every week I've been here, I've been asking the Minister of State and the Ministry of Education and Youth, when are you going to start the program for the unattached youth in North Carolina? I am asking and I'm appealing on behalf of the unattached youths in Northern Clarendon to get the program started in Kellett. We don't want just to hear the talk, we want to see the action from the government.